Why solar energy fail in the Sahara Desert? The Sahara Desert, a vast expanse of arid terrain stretching across North Africa, has long been heralded as a potential goldmine for solar energy production. With its abundance of sunlight and vast, uninhabited expanses, the Sahara presents an opportunity to harness the power of the sun on an unprecedented scale. However, the realization of this solar utopia is far from straightforward. Environmental considerations. Harsh climate conditions. The Sahara Desert, with its unrelenting sun and unforgiving climate, poses a formidable challenge to the deployment of solar energy infrastructure. While the region undoubtedly receives abundant sunlight, it is also characterized by extreme heat and frequent intense sandstorms. These harsh conditions can take a toll on the efficiency and durability of solar panels. Solar panels operate less efficiently as temperatures rise, which necessitates costly cooling systems to maintain their performance. Furthermore, the relentless sandstorms that sweep across the desert landscape pose a constant threat to the integrity of solar installations. The blowing sand can abrade the surfaces of solar panels, reducing their efficiency, and in severe cases, bury or damage them entirely. This necessitates frequent maintenance and cleaning, further adding to the operational costs. Water scarcity. Water is a scarce and precious resource in the Sahara, a region infamous for its aridity. The production of solar panels and associated technologies, including the cleaning and maintenance of solar farms, requires a significant amount of water. This demand for water resources poses a complex dilemma, as the allocation of water between essential human consumption, industrial use, and the needs of the burgeoning solar energy sector becomes a critical issue. Balancing these competing demands in a water-scarce environment raises concerns about sustainability and the potential ecological impact on local communities. Impact on local ecosystems. The Sahara Desert, contrary to its desolate reputation, is home to unique and delicate ecosystems adapted to its harsh environment. From resilient plant species to hardy desert creatures, biodiversity thrives in the seemingly inhospitable terrain. However, the large-scale installation of solar farms can disrupt these fragile ecosystems and pose a significant threat to biodiversity. The construction of solar infrastructure necessitates the development of roads, transmission lines, and substations, all of which can disturb the desert's delicate balance. The fragmentation of habitats, potential for soil erosion, and disturbance of local flora and fauna are among the ecological concerns. Striking a harmonious balance between ambitious renewable energy goals and environmental conservation in this context is a daunting challenge that requires careful planning and mitigation strategies. Technological hurdles, efficiency, and reliability. Solar panel efficiency and reliability under extreme desert conditions are paramount concerns for large-scale solar energy projects in the Sahara. While solar technology has advanced significantly, it is essential to optimize efficiency and ensure the durability of photovoltaic cells in high-temperature environments. The extreme heat of the Sahara can lead to a reduction in the efficiency of photovoltaic cells, potentially diminishing their energy output and lifespan. Innovative technologies and materials, such as advanced cooling systems and heat-resistant solar panels, are required to mitigate the impact of scorching temperatures and maintain optimal performance. Moreover, the accumulation of sand and dust on solar panels exacerbates efficiency issues, necessitating regular cleaning and maintenance efforts. Energy storage. Energy storage is a pivotal component of any renewable energy system, and it assumes even greater significance in the context of the Sahara Desert. The intermittent nature of sunlight, characterized by day-night cycles and occasional cloud cover, demands robust energy storage solutions. Present battery technologies, while continuously improving, still face challenges related to cost, capacity, and lifespan. Developing energy storage systems that can reliably store surplus energy during peak sunlight hours and release it when needed is essential for the sustainable integration of solar energy into the Sahara's energy infrastructure. Economic challenges. High initial costs. The substantial upfront capital required to establish large-scale solar farms in the Sahara Desert represents one of the primary economic challenges. Building the necessary infrastructure, which includes not only solar panels but also transmission lines, energy storage facilities, and support infrastructure, demands significant investment. Despite the long-term cost savings that renewable energy promises, these initial expenses can be daunting for both private investors and governments. The cost of land acquisition, site preparation, and labor adds to the overall financial burden. Maintenance and infrastructure costs. The ongoing maintenance and infrastructure costs associated with Sahara-based solar projects are considerable. The relentless desert environment demands constant vigilance and upkeep. Regular cleaning and maintenance to remove sand and dust from solar panels are essential to ensure optimal performance. Furthermore, the extreme climate conditions can lead to wear and tear on equipment, necessitating repairs and replacements. Additionally, the provision of reliable transportation networks to access remote desert locations for maintenance adds logistical complexity and cost. Economic viability. The economic viability of Sahara-based solar energy projects hinges on several factors. The cost of electricity production must be competitive with other energy sources, including fossil fuels. Developing the necessary transmission infrastructure to deliver electricity to distant urban centers or international markets poses logistical and financial challenges. The fluctuating prices of fossil fuels can impact the cost competitiveness of solar energy, making it crucial to develop strategies for price stability and cost-effective energy transmission. Furthermore, attracting private investment and financing for large-scale Sahara projects requires demonstrating a favorable return on investment and economic sustainability. Geopolitical complexities, border disputes, and political stability. The Sahara Desert stretches across multiple countries, each with its own political landscape and territorial disputes. Coordinating international efforts for large-scale solar projects necessitates stable diplomatic relations, shared economic interests, and the resolution of border disputes. The potential for political instability and conflicts in the region adds a layer of complexity to the development and maintenance of solar infrastructure. Ensuring security, stability, and cooperation among neighboring nations is imperative to mitigate geopolitical risks. Energy export and interconnectivity. The export of surplus solar energy generated in the Sahara to neighboring regions or international markets is a promising prospect. However, this ambition is intertwined with intricate energy interconnectivity agreements and infrastructure development. Establishing a comprehensive energy grid that can efficiently transmit electricity across borders requires complex negotiations, regulatory frameworks, and significant investments. Furthermore, ensuring the reliability and security of cross-border energy transmission systems is essential for fostering cooperation and realizing the potential of Sahara-based solar energy projects. A multifaceted challenge. In conclusion, the utilization of solar energy in the Sahara Desert, while holding immense potential, is a multifaceted challenge that extends beyond harnessing the power of the sun. Environmental considerations, technological hurdles, economic challenges, and geopolitical complexities collectively contribute to the intricate web of obstacles facing solar energy development in this region. Addressing these challenges demands a holistic approach that combines technological innovation, sustainable practices, international cooperation, and careful planning. The realization of Sahara-based solar energy projects represents not only a significant leap toward renewable energy, but also a testament to humanity's ability to navigate complex challenges and embrace sustainable solutions for the benefit of our planet and future generations. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.